Hi everyone, my name is Alicia, and through this website I hope I can teach you a little bit about the safe, responsible and ethical use of ICT. Now you might be wondering, what exactly does this mean? And that is a great question. Well, first off, ICT stands for the Information and Communication Technologies. These technologies are things like the internet, your phones and computers. Today we're going to be breaking this topic down into 3 sections. These sections are cyber safety, how to be responsible using technology, and your online ethical responsibilities. Because remember, technology is amazing and lots of fun, but it can be harmful if you don't know how to use it correctly. Our first section is how to be cyber safe. The first rule you should already know, and that is do not talk to strangers. For obvious reasons, this is never a good thing to do online, especially because you don't know what their intentions are. Always check with others before posting photos of or with them. It's always a good idea to be considerate of other people's feelings when posting things online. Be mindful of your digital identity. Remember that everything you post online can never permanently be taken down. And finally, be mindful of cyberbullying. Cyberbullying occurs on all online platforms, so it is up to you to help stop the cycle. As you can see, 1 in 5 youths experienced cyberbullying in Australia in 2017, and there is the same statistic for those who admitted to cyberbullying. Some simple steps you can take to reduce cyberbullying is to always report it when you see it. But before you do so, make sure you take screenshots so that when you tell an adult, you have proof. Our next topic is how to be responsible using technology. Don't interact with inappropriate online content. If you see content you don't think you should be seeing, don't click on it or look at it further. Don't share personal information online. Your personal information, like your passwords, are made especially for you, which means you shouldn't be sharing them with anyone online. And avoid opening unfamiliar content. I'm sure you have all had pop-up ads when playing games online that tell you that you have won some money or something. This goes without saying, but just ignore them. Your online ethical responsibilities. Tell a responsible adult about any online content that made you uncomfortable. If you see something that wasn't appropriate or a nasty comment, don't hesitate to tell an adult. They are there to help. Report suspicious behaviour. There are a lot of suspicious things online, such as strange links or posts. It is important to report them to an adult, and if you can, to report them to the site you saw them on. A big one in this section is to avoid plagiarism. Plagiarism is when you use or copy someone else's work without giving them credit, and you can get in big trouble for this. Finally, it is important to know where you can seek help online. Being online can be very draining, so it is super duper important that you know where you can reach out. It is easy to search up where to find help, and I have also linked some places at the bottom of this website. Thank you.